Hey there, so today I'll teach you how to make this cool ink overlay transition slash effect in After Effects. At first, prepare your clip just like in the preview that I had shown you before, the Hulk edit. There will be a base layer and on top of it there will be scenes that will be revealed using our ink overlay transition. So drag the ink overlay transition that I'll be providing you in the description. Drag it on top of the first scene. After that, press Ctrl Alt T to enable the time remapping and go to the end of the scene that we are using. Slide the slider for the time remap all the way to the right till it stops. Now make sure you are selecting the pick whip for track matte, not the parent link. Select the ink overlay. After that, select both of the layers, the ink overlay and the scene, pre-comp them and go inside the pre-comp and select your clip and adjust it according to you. Play with its scale and position to make it better fit your needs. Now go to the main comp and adjust it however you would like to adjust. There. Now add a drop shadow. You can use my values or you can add the drop shadow as per your like. Now for the second scene you can do the same thing that we did, or if you want it to look a bit different you can do the same steps as we did, the time remapping thing and adjusting the clip till the second clip ends. After that you can rotate the ink overlay, change its scale regardless of its proportions to make it look different than the first one. Now select the pick whip for track matte and select the ink overlay. Pre-comp both of these, adjust the clip just like you did before. Now for the third clip I will show you different transition. Make sure you have at least 1 second of clip on top of the bottom layer. Drag down your ink overlay on top of it. Do the time remapping thing till where you want it to end. Now select the pick whip for track matte and select the ink overlay. After that make a keyframe for scale and position at the beginning of the layer, and at the end you have to make the layer fit the screen so the overlay isn't visible anymore. Easy is it, and copy my graph. Now look at the transition. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you want tutorials on anything else you can comment down below. You can also join my Discord server for any After Effects help or any suggestions, feedback you want to give to me. Thanks for all the support. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.